So you've signed up for affiliate programs, you've grabbed your links, and you've even made your first sale, or maybe you are still waiting for it. But now you are stuck on the hardest part, getting consistent traffic without spending money on ads. The truth is, most free traffic methods that people share are either too slow or they don't work anymore. And in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down 10 free traffic sources for affiliate marketing that actually works this year, so that you can start getting daily clicks on your links without wasting time on outdated strategies. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. My name is Victoria, and on this channel I share various videos about how to make money online via social and digital marketing. So if this interests you or any other of my videos, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me comments below, share this video with somebody, and consider subscribing. Now, if you are just starting out, you probably don't want to pay for ads, and you don't need to. But spamming your links in random Facebook groups won't get you sales. The key to making affiliate marketing work is getting your clicks in front of people who are already looking for solutions. And that is why these 10 free traffic sources will help you to get consistent, targeted visitors who are more likely to buy. The first on my list is Pinterest. Pinterest is underrated, and it is your long-term traffic machine. Most people think Pinterest is just for recipes and home decor, but it's actually a powerful search engine, meaning that people go there to actually find solutions and products to buy. So how can you make the most of Pinterest? 1. Create simple, clean pins, linking them back to your blog post, your YouTube video, or your landing page that contains your affiliate link. Another thing you can do is to use free tools like Canva to design eye-catching pins with a clear title and a call to action, such as check out the guide. Another thing to do is to target keywords in your pin title and description, like best budgeting apps or how to prepare a meal on a budget. So use the right keywords to attract the right people. It's only when they click on your pin that they will be able to go from there to your landing page or to your affiliate link, or whatever you have linked it to. And what's amazing about Pinterest is that your pins can keep getting traffic for months or even years after you've posted, making it perfect for building passive affiliate clicks over time. For example, if you are promoting a budgeting app, create a pin titled "How I Saved $500 per month using this free budgeting app," and link it to your YouTube video or a blog post that is reviewing the app. This is a very, very good way of getting traffic from Pinterest onto your YouTube page or blog posts. The second traffic source on my list is YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts gives you fast traffic, even with 0 subscribers. You don't need a big YouTube channel to get views with YouTube Shorts. What you need to do is to create short 30 to 60 second videos where you review a product, share a quick tip, or answer a common question in your niche. Then add your affiliate link in the description box of that video, or link viewers to your main review video with your affiliate link inside. And it's important to use clear titles like best free budgeting app for beginners, or something like can this AI tool help you write faster? YouTube's algorithm is currently pushing out shorts heavily, and even new channels can get thousands of views on a well-made short, bringing targeted traffic to your links. So a good tip for you here is to record 5 to 10 shorts in one sitting to test different hooks and see which of the topics gets the most traction. The third traffic source that I have on my list is Reddit. So Reddit is where buyers are asking questions. Reddit can be a gold mine for affiliate marketing if you use it correctly. So here's what you need to do. Join niche subreddits where your target audience is active. For example, you can join a personal finance for budgeting apps. You can join freelance for productivity tools. Another thing you want to do is to look for questions that people are asking and write detailed, helpful answers without immediately dropping your link. Because one thing that I've realized is that you can easily get blocked from any of these subreddits if you keep on dropping your links without, giving any useful information or useful tips. So be careful of how you drop your links on Reddit. So basically, if appropriate, add your link at the end of your answer as a recommended next step, or a link to a helpful guide with your affiliate link inside. Better still, consider creating value-packed guides hosted on your blog, your Notion or Google Docs, and then share them with people who ask you for more resources. Basically, Reddit rewards authenticity. So avoid spamming, like I said, and focus on genuinely helping users, and you'll start seeing clicks from people actively looking for solutions. The fourth traffic source I've got here is Quora. So basically, Quora is an evergreen traffic that ranks on Google. Quora is a Q&A platform where your answers can drive traffic for years if you do it right. So basically, these are the things that you need to note when using Quora. You want to make sure that you search for questions that is related to your niche and products, and then write thorough, well-structured answers providing genuine advice. Then make sure to add your affiliate link only if it is highly relevant, or link to a blog post or video where your affiliate link is embedded. Also, make sure that you use clear formatting, that is your headings, your bullet points, in order to make your answers easy to read. As you may have noticed, Quora answers often rank well on Google, meaning that a single well-written answer can generate consistent evergreen traffic to your affiliate links. For example, what is the best budgeting app for beginners is a perfect question to answer if you are promoting a budgeting tool. Now, number 5 on my list is Facebook groups. Now, for Facebook groups, make sure that you engage before you drop links. Facebook groups are filled with people discussing specific problems and looking for advice. So you can basically join 3 to 5 groups in your niche, like budgeting for beginners or content creator tips. Then spend time engaging, answer questions, share insights, offer help without pitching immediately. Then, when someone asks for a recommendation that aligns with your product, share your experience and then drop your affiliate link naturally, or direct them to a guide with your affiliate link inside. A good tip here is to create a free mini guide or checklist and offer it in these groups. Once people opt in, you can share your affiliate links within your guide or follow-up emails. Building trust in these Facebook communities will lead to higher quality traffic and conversions in the long term. Number 6 is Medium. So Medium is a free blogging platform and you can use it for affiliate traffic if done right. So basically, if you don't have a website, Medium is an excellent platform to start writing posts that can get discovered through search. So you can write a blog post reviewing products, comparing options, or explaining solutions related to your niche. Naturally, include your affiliate links within the post, ideally within context on how the product has helped you. Then make sure that you use keywords in your title, like best free tools for freelancers or how I saved $500 with this budgeting app. Medium articles can rank on Google and within Medium itself, driving free traffic to your affiliate links while establishing your authority in that niche. So if you use Medium right, you will enjoy a long-term affiliate clicks from it. The next on my list is LinkedIn posts. Now, for B2B and productivity niches, LinkedIn isn't just for job seekers. It's a powerful platform for B2B and productivity tools, affiliate marketing. So basically, you share short, actionable posts. You can review tools, explain your workflow, or give productivity tips. Ensure that you always add a call to action to your blog, a Notion guide, or a free checklist. This is where your affiliate links will be embedded. It's also worthy to note that you need to use your headline to attract clicks, such as how I write client emails in 5 minutes using this tool. Now, because LinkedIn users are often professionals looking for tools to improve their work, your affiliate links can get high quality traffic if you focus on providing value. So value is very, very important. Number 8 on my list is email newsletters. So you can build a mini audience even with a small email list of 20 to 50 people. You can start getting affiliate links. Use free tools like MailerLite or ConvertKit to create a simple email list. If you want me to do a tutorial on that, let me know in the comment section and I'll get right onto it. Send out short emails with tips, tutorials, or mini reviews of the products that you are promoting. Embed your affiliate links naturally inside the content. For example, you can send an email titled "My favorite free budgeting app," where you share your experience using this app and why you recommend it, with your link included. Building an email list is one of the best long-term strategies for affiliate marketing because it helps you to communicate with your audience directly, and I cannot stress this enough. Building an email list should be your top priority as an affiliate marketer. Like I said, if you want more videos on this particular topic, let me know in the comment section and I'll get right into it. Number 9 on the list is free PDF guides. Value first, affiliate traffic comes in later. You need to create a simple how-to guide or checklist using Canva with your affiliate links embedded in it. An example can be 5 tools every freelancer should use, or budgeting checklist for beginners. Share this guide in Facebook groups, Reddit threads, or LinkedIn posts where people are asking for this kind of resources. Then use it as a lead magnet to build your email list while providing instant value. This strategy builds trust and it positions your affiliate links as a helpful resource, not just a random pitch. Number 10 on my list, which is not so popular, is TikTok. Short form video traffic. It is powerful. TikTok isn't just for dancing videos, not anymore, not this year. It is a powerful traffic driver, even for affiliate marketing. So basically, you want to create a short video between 15 to 60 seconds, sharing quick tips related to your niche. You can share product reviews. You can put in something like how I use this tool to save time or money, those kind of content. Use a clear call to action, like check the link in my bio for the free tool I use. You want to make sure that you are consistently posting 2 to 3 times per day or more, depending on your content style and your niche. Basically, it might be lesser, it might be more. Just try and study your niche and go with what your audience are really interested in. Make sure that you test different hooks, and before you know it, you become a TikTok guru. TikTok's algorithm can push your videos to thousands of people even if you have 0 followers, making it an excellent free traffic source for affiliate marketing. You do not need to use all of these 10 traffic sources right away. Just choose 2 to 3 platforms where your audience hangs out and commit to posting consistently there for the next 30 days. Track your links using Bitly or Google Analytics. Then double down on what gets you the most engagement. This way, you can build a predictable, consistent affiliate traffic without getting overwhelmed or spreading yourself too thin. And like I have said, value. Before you put your links anywhere, make sure that you have given a ton load of value so that people already know you, they already like your content, and they already trust whatever you are putting down in that group, or online. If you are yet to make your first affiliate sale, I've created a free checklist that walks you through the exact steps so that you get your first affiliate sale. You can grab it from the link in the description box below, and I highly recommend that you watch this video next to know more about getting your first affiliate sale online.